What if your next big fintech product could tap into a market worth over $140 billion? Today, investment apps are transforming how people trade, save, and grow wealth, and businesses that enter this space early are gaining a massive competitive advantage. In fact, a recent survey highlights that nearly 63% of smartphone users have at least one financial application installed, showing a huge demand for mobile investment solutions. So if you're a founder or business leader planning to launch an investment platform, this video will show you exactly how to build an investment app successfully. In this video, we'll break down how to build an investment app, explore different types of investment apps you can create, and show you how to develop one successfully from scratch. Let's dive in. Section 1. Types of investment apps businesses can develop. Before building an investment app, you must understand which category fits your business vision. Here are some popular types. Education-centered investment apps. These apps help users learn investing through tutorials, simulations, and expert insights. For example, investor. Trading apps. Trading apps allow users to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies in real time. For example, Robinhood and Stash. Broker apps. Broker apps act as intermediaries between investors and financial markets. Platforms like Wealthbase and Ellevest offer personalized financial planning and portfolio management based on users' financial goals and risk tolerance. Investment and digital banking apps. These apps combine traditional banking with investment tools. Apps such as Chime, Chase Mobile, and Bank of America allow users to manage accounts, track expenses, and invest, all in one place. Tax optimization apps. These apps help users maximize profits by reducing tax liabilities. For example, TurboTax helps with tax filing, deduction tracking, and financial planning for investors. How to create an investment app. Let's break down the development process step by step. Plan your app. Define your target audience, services, and unique features. Conduct market research and competitor analysis to validate your idea. Establish a business model. Choose how your app will generate revenue. Popular options include commission on trades, subscription plans, advisory service fees, partnerships, and ads. Abide by laws and regulations. Since investment apps handle sensitive financial data, compliance is essential. Ensure your app follows financial licensing and data privacy regulations. Understand compliance requirements. Implement essential standards like KYC verification, AML policies, secure transaction processing, fraud detection systems. Find the right technology partner. A skilled fintech technology partner ensures strong security, real-time trading integration, and scalable infrastructure. Develop the core app. Focus on building essential features such as user onboarding and verification, portfolio management, trading dashboard, real-time analytics, secure payment integration, test and improve. Conduct security, performance, and user experience testing before launch. Continuous improvement helps maintain reliability and user trust. Maintain and support the app. Regular updates, performance monitoring, and customer support are crucial for long-term success. Why Apptunix is the right partner for building a robust investment app. Creating an investment platform requires deep fintech expertise, strong security frameworks, and scalable technology. And that's where Apptunix excels as a trusted digital transformation partner. Apptunix provides extensive experience in fintech solutions, highly secure and scalable platform architecture, customized solutions aligned with business goals, end-to-end support from ideation to post-launch growth, a proven track record of delivering high-performance financial platforms. With Apptunix, businesses can confidently launch future-ready investment solutions that deliver seamless user experiences and long-term growth. If you're planning to build an investment app and want expert guidance tailored to your business goals, you can book a free strategy call with our fintech experts. We'll help you validate your idea, define the right features, and create a clear development roadmap. Click the link in the description to schedule your strategy call today.